So welcome students. Today I am going to start the question number 4 of exercise 12.2. It is given that a triangle and a parallelogram have the same base and the same area. If the sides of the triangle are 26 cm, 28 cm and 30 cm and the parallelogram stands on the base 28 cm, find the height of the parallelogram. In the question it is given that parallelogram and triangle both having same base and both having the equal area also, and you need to find the height of the parallelogram. So here the sides of the triangle are given, all the three sides are given, so we can find the area of the triangle using these three sides and the Heron's formula. So here I am going to find the area of the triangle. So here it is for triangle, three sides are given, A equal to 26 centimeter, B equal to 28 centimeter and C equal to 30 centimeter. Then you will find S, then S equal to A plus B plus C upon 2, that is equal to 26 plus 28 plus 30 upon 2. It is equal to, if you are going to add 8, 6, 14, 3, 1, 4, 2, 6, 2, 8, 84 upon 2, that is equal to 42 centimeter. So here you got the value of S, that is 42 centimeter. Now you need to find S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So S minus A equal to 42 minus 26, that is equal to 18. It will be 16. It is 16. 42 minus 26, that is equal to 16. Then S minus B, it is equal to 42 and B is here 28. So minus 28, that is equal to 14. And next S minus C, C is here 30. So it will be 42 minus 30, that is equal to 12. So here I got the value of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Now I will write the Heron's formula. So according to the Heron's formula, area of triangle equal to area of triangle, that is equal to under root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. It is equal to under root S value is 42 here. So 42 into S minus A is 16. So into 16, S minus B, it is 14. So into 14 into S minus C, it is 12. So here I have written the value of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So students, if you are going to find the square root of this, so it's better to make the pairing of the number by writing the factors of that number. Like 42 can be written as, if you are going to find the factors of 14, so it will be 2 into 3, 2 3 ja 6 into 7. So 2 3 ja 6, 6 7 ja 42. So I have written the factors of the 42. Now 16, 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 2 ja 16. So it is the factor of 16. Now 14 factor, that will be 2 into 7. 12 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2 ja 4, 3 ja 12. So here I have written the factors of all the numbers. Now make the pairing. Here 2 is there, here it is 2. So 1 2 is in the pair. Now here it is 3 and here it is 3. 3 is also in the pair. Now here it is 7. Here it is 7. So 7 is also in the pair. Now you will make the other numbers pair. Here 2 is in the pair, 2 is in the pair, and here this 2 is in the pair. So here all the numbers are in the pair. So I am going to pick one number from each pair. So here it is 2 and one more 2 is there, that is this. So I will take 1 2. Here it is 3 is also in the pair. 7 is also in the pair. From here you will pick 1 2. From here you will pick 1 2 and from here you will pick 1 2. Now it is equal to 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 2 ja 16, 16 3 ja 48 and 48 into 7, 336 centimeter square. So area of the triangle is 336 centimeter square. Now in the question it is given that area of the triangle and area of the parallelogram are equal. So here you can write area of area of parallelogram equal to area of triangle. Area of, that is area of triangle. Now area of parallelogram, what is the formula? It is base into height. Base into height equal to, and area of the triangle you got 336. Now base, in the question it is given that parallelogram stands on the base 28 centimeter. It means base of the parallelogram is, according to the question, that is 28. So here 28 into height, it is equal to 336. Then height equal to, it will be 336 upon 28. So if you are going to divide it, then you will get the height. If you are going to cancel it, it will be 4 7 ja 28, 4 8 ja 32, 4 4 ja 16, and 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14. So height equal to 12 centimeter. So height of the parallelogram will be 12 centimeter. That is the complete solution of the question number 4. Now students, here a question is given: a rhombus shaped field has green grass for 18 cows to graze. If each side of the rhombus is 30 meter and its longer diagonal is 48 meter, how much area of the grass field will each cow is getting? So here a field is there that is in the shape of rhombus. Here I am going to draw a rough diagram for that. It is given that a rhombus shaped field is there. So here I am going to draw a rhombus. Suppose that here it is a rhombus A, B, C, D. It is a field, that is the rhombus shaped field, and it is given that each side of this rhombus is 30 meter. It means it is 30 meter, 30 meter, 30 meter, and 30 meter. Each side is 30 meter and its longer diagonal is 48 meter. One of the diagonal length is given, that is 48 meter. Now it is asked that how much area of the grass field each cow is getting. If this field is for the 18 cows, then you need to find how much area of the field used by each cow. So first you need to find the area of that field, and after that, that area will be divided by 18. That will be the area of the field used by one cow. So here you can find that ABCD, it is just like a quadrilateral, and here these two sides are given and third side is also given. So you can find the area of the triangle ACD, and after that in the rhombus you know that these two triangle having the equal area, whatever the area of this field will be there, that will be this field. Reason is that again here for the triangle ABC, 30 meter, 30 meter, 48 meter. So whatever the area of this triangle will be there, that will be the area of this triangle. So find the area of the triangle ADC, and if you are going to multiply it by 2, that will be the area of the rhombus ABCD. So here I am going to find the area of the triangle ACD. So here I am going to write for triangle ACD. Three sides are given, 30 meter, 30 meter, and 48. C is 48 meter, and C equal to 48 meter. Now S equal to A plus B plus C upon 2, that is equal to 30 plus 30 plus 48 upon 2, that is equal to 108 upon 2, that is equal to 54 centimeters. So here I got the value of S, that is 54. Now I am going to find S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So S minus A equal to 54 minus 30, that is equal to 24. Again S minus B equal to 54 minus 30, that is equal to 24, and C is 48. So S minus C equal to 54 minus 48, that is equal to 6. So here I got the value of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Now I am going to find the area of the triangle ADC. So area of triangle ADC, it is equal to under root S minus A, S minus B into S minus C. Here it is equal to under root S is 54, that is here it is 54 into S minus A, that is 24, S minus B is also 24, S minus C is 6. So here Here students, you are going to get 24 is already in the pair, so 124 you will pick outside. Here I need to write the factors of 54. 54 can be written as 9 into 6. 9 6 ja 54. So 9 into 6 into 24 into 24 into 6. Now students, 9 it can be written as 3 into 3. I am going to write 9 3 into 3. 6 and 6 I am going to write together. It will be 6 into 6 and 24 into 24. Now you will make the pairing. So here you are going to get each number is in the pair. So pick one number from each pair. So 3 into 6 into 24. That is equal to 6 3 ja 18. 18 into 24. If you are going to multiply, you will get 432. So 432 meter square. So you got the area of the triangle ADC. You need to find the area of the rhombus. It is the total field is in the shape of rhombus. So area of ABCD rhombus equal to, if you are having the area of this portion, then the whatever the area of ADC will be there, that will be also the area of ABC. So it means area of the total field equal to this area multiplied by 2. So area of rhombus shaped field, rhombus shaped field, it is equal to 432 into 2, that is equal to 864 meter square. So it is the area of the total field. Now you need to find the area of the field, area of the grass that is used by each cow. So area of field used by each cow. So 18 cow are using that much of area, so one cow will use 864 upon 18 meter square. If you are going to divide, that will be equal to 48 meter square. So it means each cow is getting 48 meter square of the grass. So that is the complete solution of the question number 5.